Day 18. Today I'm talking about 5 things that women get wrong with fasting, and this is just through my experience. I might need to refer to my list just in case that I forget. So the first one is that women think that they can fast exactly the same as men. We can't, and the reason for that is that men are on a 24-hour hormonal cycle. They have got testosterone that comes in and out of their body every 15 minutes. That's why they are so black and white and they don't have any ups and downs of their hormones. Whereas we are on a 28 to 30 day, might even be longer cycle throughout the month. And we've got our sex hormones are at different levels throughout the month. So we need to fast differently to men, and we need to fast differently throughout the month. So that's the first one. The second one is that they think that it's just all about weight loss. Absolutely, weight loss is 100% a benefit that you're going to get from fasting. But you'll also improve your moods. You'll improve your sleep. You will improve your gut health. The gut healing and the gut level when you are fasting is incredible. And there is so much that you can do to support the gut. And also, what else have I got? Becoming metabolically healthy and becoming insulin sensitive. That is all the benefits of fasting. It's not just about weight loss. Getting into it and staying there because they love it so much. I hear so many times that women love fasting. They love the ketones that it burns and it turns on the brain power. But actually, as I've talked about in other videos, we need to be metabolically switching. Our brain needs 50% glucose and 50% ketones. So we need to be stepping out of fasting and into the your glucose system, and then metabolically switching. That's what it's all about. The other thing is that not eating enough in their eating window. And so fasting too much and initially getting the results and then finding that, getting to a status quo and therefore aren't really eating enough in the eating window. I eat a lot. I've said it on previous videos. I just make sure it is nutritionally dense and, focusing on those macros that I've talked about, the protein, the fiber, the healthy fats, the carbohydrates, and that combination, but getting enough in that eating window. Okay. This is something I talked about yesterday, pushing through the hunger and the fatigue like it's a badge of honor. You don't need to. Fasting is actually easy once you learn the strategies and once you kind of do it a little bit more. But yesterday I shared my story that I didn't set myself up for success and it was hard. Fasting shouldn't be hard. So it's not about pushing through. It's about learning how to make your food support your fasting efforts. And if it's the wrong time of the month, it's going to be hard. And if you're not supporting progesterone, that's when you shouldn't be fasting. I talked about that yesterday. So there are times when you might just step out and go, actually, this isn't right, and just try again tomorrow or the next day. And then one more that I wanted to just throw in here is that women tried to do it on their own. It is so much easier to do it in a community and to do it when you've got support. And that's what my Wicked Healthy Tribe is all about. And so if you want to learn more about that, reach out to me. Now, if you are enjoying these videos, enjoying the information, then I wanted to share about, I'm not quite ready yet, but you can just message me and say, yeah, I want to know about it. I'm running a free live workshop on Thursday, the 23rd of July. It's at 7:30 at night, and it's called, what have I called it? How to Feel Energized at 3:30 in the afternoon without coffee. Because I want to just share some strategies on how you can, we're meant to feel energized. We're meant to not, want to sleep on the couch at 3:30 in the afternoon. I want to share some tips around that. So if you're interested in that workshop, I will be sharing more information, but just so you don't want to miss out, message me and I'll make sure that when I'm ready for the registrations, then I will share it with you. Okay, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Which of these mistakes have you actually have come up for you, or that you can see that resonate? See